Welcome to Davi Tunes Club. Tonight, by a little campfire light, we'll draw Grindle from Hollow Knight Silksong, a sneaky little merchant with a pocket full of rumors. Ready your pencils, and let's begin. Eyes are large white ellipses centered on the face, no mouth needed. Make a very pointy, triangular nose, something like a mosquito straight out of a cartoon. Start the head as a rounded, triangular bell shape. Think a pointed hood with soft corners. If you're drawing along, remember to pause during tricky parts and take a screenshot for reference. Add two thin antennae from the hat top. Each ends in a flattened leaf-like tip. Quick note, this is another Hollow Knight tutorial, and there's a playlist with other characters on the channel. I'm building the collection, so if you love Farloom, stick around and tell me which character you want me to draw next. Connect the head directly into a short collar. There's no visible neck. Block the cloak like a bell or leaf shape around the torso. Keep shapes simple. For legs, draw two tapered stems that thin toward the feet. Keep them simple and parallel. They read like little pinches beneath the cloak. Line art now. Steady hand. Outside contours slightly heavier, inner details finer. Embrace subtle irregularities. They give the drawing warmth. The silhouette does the talking. Quick note by the fire. Grindle is a roaming snitch bug merchant in Silksong. He trades rosaries and can provide information and items to the player. He was once caged in the Marrow and now roams Farloom, offering gossip and goods to those who free him. Finalize the flattened tips of the antennae. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to Davi Tunes Club. I'm building the Hollow Knight playlist. Tell me which character you want me to draw next. Specific requests help me choose videos that the community can find. Keep the outer contour a touch thicker for visual weight. Ink the cloak panels and add long, gentle pleat lines that flow with each panel. Tips for you to color. Fill the cloak with a warm reddish brown, head and cape reddish brown, inner antennae light beige, undercoat grayish brown, legs pure black, eyes pure white. Keep colors flat and game accurate, no complex shading. And here is our Grindle, a roguish little merchant full of stories. Thanks for drawing by the fire with me tonight. Keep your line steady, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, good night.